Hi, and thanks for coming back and watching my video on the RSS system that we're about to build. And now it's time for us to talk hosting and layout. In order for your website to be seen, you need to be hosted. And if you don't have a host already, I've got a link down below where you can go to my website. And if you order through me, I make a little money, plus there's a little discount through there. Currently I have GoDaddy and HostGator on there, and I like them both very well. And the GoDaddy is actually a domain name link, but if you just go to that link and then click in the upper left hand tab, you'll get to GoDaddy. At any rate, you may have hosting already. If you got hosting, that's great. What we're going to do is we're going to model this kind of after one of my websites, and that's going to be Florablog, and I've also got a couple more and they're all modeled after this. Now the reason I'm going to do this way is because I already have the code written and I don't want to write a whole bunch of new code in a different CSS layout. Now once you have the scripts and you have this put together, then all you have to do, if you decide you want to go with something different, a 960 grid system, or use a template, either a bot template or a free template that you found somewhere, or write your own thing. Any way you want to do it is fine with me, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to use a free template called the Holy Grail Liquid Layout. And if you go to florablog.com and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see a link for that. And I'll go ahead and click this link, and it's also the link that I've already looked up for you, so it's one and the same. I'm going to put this link in the description down below. And essentially this guy has made a layout that will conform to any size window. It's a percentage width layout. It has tabs up here where you can look and read about the layout and all that. It's a free download, and you just download it by hitting this, and then you just download it, and then we will go through what it's going to take to change this layout, because I'm going to actually use this exact same layout. I'm not going to I might use some code from my Florablog site, but I'm not going to use all the code. I'm going to modify that code because I'm actually going to put this on a whole brand new website as well. So we're going to use this liquid layout, which is called the Holy Grail. So I'm going to go ahead and put these links down below, and if you would do me a favor and go get this layout and have it ready in your HTML editor, which hopefully is Notepad++. You'll understand what I'm doing a whole lot better if it is. And then we'll go through taking out all of the stuff he has in here and putting our stuff in. So that's going to be next, and then once we have our site set up, I pointed out all the stuff that's on here. One of the things I didn't notice in the last video or two that I did are these latest headlines. Over on the right, this is going to grab every story out of your feed, not just one feed. It's going to grab all of your latest stories and it's going to put them out there in the way we set it up. We're going to put your Twitter follow account in here if you're going to use Twitter, and then later on we'll get into constructing the Twitter bot. And we're really not that far from finishing up this whole thing. Actually, we're probably about halfway through, maybe a little further. But yeah, go and grab this CSS layout, because that's what we're going to use for this demonstration. And once you've gotten to the end of this series, you can use whatever layout you want to, because then you'll have all the scripts to put in wherever you want to put those in. So go grab that and get it opened up and unzipped, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.